light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. So today I'll be turning this old and dated furniture that was thrown away by someone into a nightstand. I did thorough cleaning twice before I started sanding it down. After that, I cleaned the whole thing with a mixture of water and vinegar. After that, I aired it outside for a while. Then I spray painted the whole thing silver, including inside the drawers. My plan is to have tufting by the sides, so I'm going to take 1-inch foam and cut them into the measurements for the sides and glue it on. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I left some space by the side to make it easy for me to finish off the edges neatly. Now I'm going to be making marks for the tuft with 7 inches apart. And then using a pair of scissors, since the foam is just 1 inch thick, to make the holes. For this DIY, I'll be using this gray leather fabric that I got from Hobby Lobby. Someone asked me if there was another way to make tufts without the use of screws and washers, so today I'll be showing you guys an easier route with just a staple gun. All you have to do is locate where the hole is and staple the fabric in. It's that easy. This was super easy to do and I finished the tufting in no time. But I don't use this technique a lot because in the end, it's a lot easier to attach the buttons to screw heads than on staple pins. When I was done, I cut off the excess fabric, folded it in, and then stapled it down. I'll be using this 7 inches round board to draw a circle in the middle. And then glue 2 inches round mirrors around it. I forgot to mention that these pulls were removed before spray painting. For the spaces where the 2 inches round mirrors cannot cover, I'll be using 1 inch round mirrors. As I got to this point, instead of using a lot of small mirrors, I decided to just use this that I've had that I got from Walmart, and then picked a size that would fit at this corner alone. After that, I located the middle point there, and then this is the knob that I'll be using. And now I put the knob there and then traced out the outer shape. This is because I want to make a pattern with my glue gun, and so I need to know when to stop. I made the middle pattern and that didn't look so well, so I had to take it off. So now I'm going to be starting the pattern again from the little point in the middle. I will be making this thick enough so that it will be easy for me to apply the color, and to achieve that, I'll be going around again with the second layer of hot glue. For the color, I'll be using this black paint, and to apply it to the design, I'll be using this foam brush. I've used this method before for a vase that I made some time ago, and the link for that video is going to be in the description box below. Unlike the other vase video where I used mirror mosaic tiles to fill up the spaces, this time around I'll be using gems to fill up the inner spaces. When I was done, I took off the excess glue strings and then attached the knobs. When I was done, I used diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree to cover up the staple pins. And then I got gems from Walmart to cover up the staple pins for the tufting. These are mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be detaching all of the mirrors from the frame. I got 4 of the mirrors, and then I'm going to be gluing them on top of the nightstand. It did not cover the whole thing, so for the sides, I'll be covering that up with 1-inch square mirrors. Inside the drawer doesn't look so good, so I covered that up using marble contact paper. I realized that to change the inside once in a while, it will be better to wrap the contact paper on a board before putting it in. Remember I said I used this pattern for a vase? Now the vase was filled with mirror mosaic tiles. That's why it looks kind of different. And the link for that vase, like I said before, is going to be in the description box below. This is going to be sold to someone who has gray in the room so that it would match with either the headboard or the color that's on the wall. I got my inspiration from this photo, and this is sold for over $400. Adding tufts to this furniture has added a wow factor to it, and I love the way it turned out. This was a quick and easy update to an old and boring looking furniture. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to like it and share it with your friends and families. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Now I have other DIY videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.